Hey everyone, Alicia here from Stretch It app, and on today's episode of Stretch It Fundamentals, we cover Plow Pose. Plow Pose can be a little scary because your legs are going over your head and it does have a lot of weight on the back of your neck on the shoulders. It can be, however, a great stretch for those regions as well as for the entire spine and your hamstrings, the backs of your legs. In this video, we'll go over different techniques that will help you achieve Plow Pose in increment steps so you can still gain the benefit from the pose even if you can't place your legs all the way down above your head on the floor. Going over Plow Pose today, and it's a great stretch for your entire posterior chain, everything from your neck down to the backs of your legs. But it can prove challenging because it is such an intense stretch. We'll go over different modifications that you can use so you can reap some of the benefits from this position. First, start with legs in front and carefully lower down onto your back. With both legs stretching up above your hips and arms by your side, first practice just the initiating of your hip, meaning looking to peel your tailbone off the floor using your abdominal muscles, and then the legs lower over your face. If this is difficult, then just practice your hip tilt with the knees in toward your chest, pushing down through your hands to lift your tailbone off the floor. Now for us to get the feet over, we can use a chair to catch our legs. With the chair above us and the arms in our position, we can now practice lifting our hip a little higher and not worrying about the legs falling down above our head, but we can then use the chair as feedback, right? Maybe we don't get the toes on, but you could get the shins or the ankles. And again, it's more about learning how to use your abdominal muscles to flex your spine. That's curling your spine, tilting your tailbone up, peeling pelvis off the floor. And when you get your feet down on the chair, you keep pushing your hip forward. You can even tuck your toes under here. Now notice the further back your legs go, the more pressure you will feel on the back of your neck. Make sure not to tense. Naturally, the further back your legs go, the more intense the stretch will be for the back of your neck. And that's fine because that is a region the Plow Pose also targets. But know you can push down through your hands and lift up and out of the floor, right? We don't want to sink. We want to keep pushing, make this an active position. To continue bringing the legs, aim the toes down to the ground, tuck them under. You can interlace your fingers or keep your palms by your side. Push the hip up and extend the knees. If this is tough, you can keep the knees soft and keep the toes down behind you. To exit, pull the thighs close to your rib cage and control your descent. Slow, 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 slow. If you find that challenging to create that momentum, you can start here, seated, bringing the hands on your thighs, curling back, landing arms by your side, push, bend the knees, and come up. Again, curl, land the hands, push. And notice coming from a bent knee position into a straight one naturally adds that weight and momentum in helping you get your legs over your head. If you would like to improve your flexibility, make sure you check out our classes on our Stretch It app. You could find the link down in the description box. And if you want to see more videos like these, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel.